Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Ring Spotlight camera model and preparing the site. This matters because battery and wired units follow different power and mounting steps. Once done, charge the battery fully or shut power at the breaker for wired installs, and position your ladder where you'll mount the camera. Make sure to have your smartphone, the Ring app, Wi-Fi name and password, drill, screws, and anchors nearby so you move swiftly into the app configuration without interruptions. You now open the Ring app and tap Add Device, selecting the Spotlight camera. The app guides the rest because it controls pairing and Wi-Fi handoff. Once the app prompts, scan the QR or enter the setup code, then put the device into setup mode and connect to your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 4 GHz has better range for outdoor cameras. After successful pairing, physically mount the bracket, route, and fasten any wires or insert the battery, and tighten the camera to the bracket. You finish by adjusting the camera angle and configuring motion zones, sensitivity, and alert preferences in the app so you only get meaningful notifications. This reduces false alarms and saves battery. Next, test live view, motion detection, and spotlight or night vision to confirm everything functions as expected. If the camera goes offline or fails to stream, reboot your router, power cycle the camera, and check signal strength. If problems persist, move the router closer or add a Wi-Fi extender to improve connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.